Good morning student. Today we start decimal new chapter multiplication and division. We have studied this chapter in standard 6 also. In this chapter we study how to multiply and divide decimal numbers. Okay. Suppose we have to divide a decimal with decimal. Okay. Example is given here. We have dividing decimal with decimal. It's written find product of 23.67 and 13.098. First of all, we have to multiply without any decimal point. Then we write the product. After that, we count the total number of digits after the decimal point in both the number put together. So we have to count all the digits which are after the decimal. Here 2 and here 3 minus 5. We have to add it, and then we have to count it from the right hand, writing, and then we place the point after 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after here also between the two zeros we put the point. So in this way we multiply two decimal numbers. Suppose we have to multiply a decimal number by 10, 100 or 10,000, then what we do? Then decimal point moves to right. Okay, moves to right. Suppose here we do 235.78 multiplied by 10, it becomes 2357.8. This decimal moves to right. Okay, how many zeros are there? As many zeros are there, the decimal point moves to that many places to the right. Okay, in this question also this point goes two times. Okay, here 20, that means this point goes two times. You can look here that this point is between 3 and 8. After multiplication, what is our answer? This decimal point goes two places, means between 9 and 6. You can look your answer. And if suppose multiply by 0.01, okay, so how you do it? It's very simple. You write the answer, because without decimal you multiply it, and after that you count the decimal and put it. Okay, suppose 768.34 into 0.001. So when 1 multiply by this number, the same number will get 76834, and then I count the decimal. This here 2 and here also 2. Then after 4 digits we put the decimal. Okay, now exercise 6.1. We do use 6.1. We do 6.1 now. I solve some question, and this question are your homework. So look here how to solve question. Exercise 6.1. Question number 1. First of all, I write the question here like this, and I write the answer like this. Okay. So in rough you have to show, okay, how to multiply. So here I multiply. I get 386963. I write here, and I count the digit after the decimal. Here 3 digits are there after the decimal. So I put decimal after. From I count it from right in 1, 2, 3, and I put the decimal. Now in this case, I told you that what we have to do. This decimal, sorry, it is not correct answer. This answer is not correct. 1980387. Why? Because this decimal points, this decimal moves 3 places. Okay, 1, 2, 3. It goes here. So there is none number. That's why we leave it. Now you can look here. Two numbers. One question. First question. Here it is very easy. You have multiplied by 1 without decimal. It becomes 1, and 30945. Then I counted a decimal here 2, and here 2. After 4 digits, I put decimal here. Now in 3 number we have to put decimal equivalent to answer. So in answer, how many decimal are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here already 3. Then we have to put decimal after between 5 and 3. Okay, between 5 and 3 we have to put decimal here. Okay. Now in this case, 976 into 1, and here how many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after 6 digit we have to put decimal here, okay? After 1 we count it and we put, because we have to put decimal in 1, that's why. Now number 5 and 4 and 5 are what problem? So it's very simple question. Read the question. Five number. If 1 cubic centimeter of copper weighs 8.96 grams, how much will 5.60 cubic meter centimeter of copper weigh? So 1 cubic centimeter of copper weighs 8.96 grams, 5.63 cubic meter of copper weighs. You have to multiply it and you get the answer, or you multiply here in rough and then you put the comma according to decimal return digit after decimal. That's all for today. In our next class we discuss division and exercise 6.2.